Okay, my guys, do I have something exciting for you? I've been working on this for you. We are going full ad block with this, okay? Like, imagine playing a game on your computer and ads aren't popping up. Imagine playing an online game and you ain't suddenly getting stopped with an ad that you have to sit there for like 10, 15 seconds. Imagine going through your forums and you're trying to click on something and you're not having windows and windows coming up and doing this. We've done it here for you. Let me show you what we're talking about over here. All right, let's say we're doing something as simple as going to the Pirate Bay. Okay, now we go over here. Now this is one of these sites. Man, this stuff is popped down. Look at that. As soon as you click stuff, you're getting ads. Okay, I want to click around on here. It's loading up stuff. Okay, I want to click on something, make any changes. And look at that. It's all, look at now, it's you can't see this here. Let's pop over here real quick. And look at this. It's bringing up a thing to download a fake file. Okay? This is the pities of online advertisements. What if we're going over here? We want to do some kind of, play some kind of flash game online or something. Click over here and we click on one of these. Okay? And now, they're smart with these things. Sometimes they'll let you watch one for free. Sometimes they won't. Okay, so this one's going to load up for us. But what if we go load up a second game? Okay, it's going to make us watch an advertisement. We got to sit and wait. Okay, how many times you've been in forums, right? And you're sitting there just getting bombarded with stuff. You try to click on an image, you try to click on a video, and it opens up the window to another video. And then you say, well, I want to watch that other one, so you click on another one, opens up to another. Suddenly you're 5 web pages in, you can't find the original video. With this software we've developed, no more. You click, it plays. That's it. You want to play the game, it plays. No advertisements, no nothing. Okay? Do whatever you want. Let me show you how it works here. All right. This is the best thing. There's not even an install. This is literally just you run it. So you get this from the Patreon page and you extract it. So let's extract it here. You see you're going to get 2 files. One is the actual exe file. Everything's in there. And then the other is a shortcut. So that shortcut, you can put that anywhere you want. Put it in whatever folder you want and it's going to work. So all you do is you double click on that, the one that says block all ads, okay? And it pops you up to here. Let's make sure you guys can see this properly. And look at this. All you got to do, it sits here and it asks us, what's our connected network adapter? Well, we've only got one option. Let's press 1. Now it says, what do I want to do? Do I want to set a block or do I want to unset the block? Because sometimes you'll be using this and there's some stuff they're smart, like if it's blocked, they ain't going to let you use it, so you got to unset it. It's so easy. You just press a number. So we're going to hit 1, or we're going to hit S for set, okay? And now it asks us, what do we want to block? Do we want to just, now we got 2 options. We could just block just ads, straight ads, like all that stuff we were just seeing, or we can also block the porn stuff. Sometimes you just get bombarded with porn. You don't want to see it, like you're just trying to get through something and pictures are flashing up. This will stop that as well. But at the same time, if you don't care about that, you run the ads. But I'm going to tell you, I'm warning you, when you go to these NSFW sites, they're going to load quick just like everything else. Is going to block the ads from those as well, so you'll be able to see them. But if you run number 2, maybe you've made a covenant with your eyes, and it's going to even block the Google searching. So you're going to be in complete safety. So whichever one you want to go on here. Now, let's just go ahead and click number 1 here. And now watch how easy this is. Okay? This is going to install. It's not even installing, it's just setting. Okay? All we did was click. There was no install. You literally put it here, and then we click the shortcut. You can drag the shortcut to your desktop, whatever. Look at that. Connection has been changed successfully. So let's go back and give it a look. Let's go back to our internet. So what we're going to do, let's close out this browser. Let's open it back up again. Okay? Now let's head back over to the Pirate Bay and let's see what's going on. Notice nothing popped up. Okay, let's click in here. Usually when you click on anything on the Pirate Bay, it's going to bring up an ad. So we type in Dune. Look at that. Nothing's coming up. Let's go change it. We want to look for the Watchman. Guaranteed, you would have had five pop-ups by now. So we can go the Watchman. Look at that. Unhindered. Isn't that fantastic? Isn't that fantastic? Every once in a while it'll pop up a window, but even then the advertisement's blocked. Okay? This is literally letting you do what you want to do without getting it. Look at that. See it, try it, it's catching it. Okay, let's go check over on those Flash games we was looking at. Flash game online. Okay? Let's click on here. Best Flash games. So let's click on this one. Okay, this is going to play it. Okay, it loads it up. Okay, now let's go to a second one. Usually it was that second one that's going to trigger the ad. And she sits, and look at that. We go to another one. Let's try another one here. There it is. Look at that. And this works offline too. Okay, so you can be playing your game. Sometimes these turds, what they do is they put that commercials inside the games. Is going to block everything that's coming in. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at some more of these features here. Let's go back and run this thing again. Okay, so you'll notice that it says when it's done, it says press enter to continue. We'll just press enter, it recycles. That way you can keep this up in your taskbar. If you want to close it, just hit the X. Okay, well let's try the other one. So we're just going to grab that Ethernet controller. We want to set. This time let's go ahead and set the porn block as well. Let's hit that. We'll let that one go through there. Wait, look at that. Connection turned. So let's go back to our browser. Let's go ahead and reset this. Whoops. Let's go back and reset it again. We'll close it out. Open it back up. Now watch what happens if I want to go, even if I try to do a search for porn. It ain't going to bring it up. Okay? Let's say I go over to images.google.com and let's say I want to say porn photo. It ain't going to bring it up. And look at that. Safe search filtering is on and it ain't going to change. Okay? So that means same thing. You're going to these websites and you're getting bombarded with stuff. It's going to block that. From, God, I don't want to say, oh God, you know, it's going to block it. Okay, if you don't care, or if you want to go to these NSFW sites and you just want to watch your stuff like that without waiting for seconds or getting bombarded, you run the other one. Okay, or maybe you just don't care and you run the one, right? So there you go. Look at Pirate Bay still is working there. You press that, same thing going on. But now let's say, okay, oh shoot, I do have one thing because these guys are kind of clever and it ain't working now that we're blocking the ads. So I have played games like that before where it's like they can tell. Well, all we got to do is go back to our thing. It's already open. We just press enter. It's going to run again. Pick our adapter, and we're just going to press U for unset. Okay. Now we're the same thing. We just wait. Twiddle, twiddle, twiddle. Right. Goes ahead. There. Changes made successfully. Now if we go back to our site here, you're going to notice that, well, let's close, oops, let's close down the browser again. This time we come back. Now we go back to the Pirate Bay, let's say, and all of a sudden we're going to have ads again. Okay? All of a sudden we're back in crapland. Okay? But sometimes you have to unset it. Okay? Because you're doing something and it won't see, there we go. Okay, but now maybe we got done with, okay, well, nuts to that. Let's go back and let's just run her again. I want to set it. I want to set for ads. There you go. Just like that. That is so easy, guys. So that is literally one file. You just download it. You can grab this thing and you put it wherever you want. Listen, we go over here. You grab it, just throw it on your desktop, and then you can run it from wherever you want. Okay, all you gotta do is click that to open up. It stays. Oh, here, let's show you. It stays open down here as long as you don't close it. You can just pop back out. We can minimize this thing, all right, and then do our work, and then we come back and we just pop it back up again if we need to change, make another change. That's pretty groovy stuff there. So there you have it. Block all ads. This is available for purchase over at my Patreon site. Okay, so let's show you how to get there. Okay, you're going to go on over to patreon.com/Cognibuild. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click on the shop. Okay, and that's where it's at. You can grab it there. It's $10. It's yours forever. I'll keep updating this. You get all the updates in the world. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Up your game. No more ads. Get her done. Get it done fast. Get going fast, right? I think you're going to enjoy this one. I'm very happy to bring it to you. So, you know what? As always, hit me up on the Discord if you got any questions. Guys, this is so silly easy. So silly easy. Extract it and click. And then you're in the money. All right. We'll talk to you later. And as always, you stay good and yo.